8 Proven Methods for Making Money on TikTok in 2022. Do you want to learn how to monetize your TikTok channel? In this video, I will explain to you how to make money on TikTok by using these 8 proven ways in 2022. Using these ideas will undoubtedly increase your earnings. Watch the video to learn how to make money online. Let's start the video. Successful TikTok influencers may now count on the app as a reliable source of revenue, with firms often paying anywhere from $200,000 to $2 million for each branded video. Since its global release in September 2017, TikTok has amassed an incredible 800 million monthly active users from all corners of the globe. About half are under 34, with the youngest quarter 26% in the 18 to 30-year-old range. TikTok's massive user base means the platform has enormous potential to supplement people's and corporations' incomes. Here are 8 tried and true strategies for monetizing the TikTok channel that you may do right now. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. Paid advertisements and unpaid, organic content are common ways that affiliate marketing is used on TikTok. Including discount codes and articles is a kind of affiliate marketing. Working with the businesses you include in your films, you may create a unique discount code for your audience. Having the discount code associated with your name works best. It may be associated with your TikTok account, for instance. This will make the promo code more memorable and accessible to the audience. To find the best affiliate programs, you should use ShareSale, Awin, Fiverr, Buzzsprout, and Wix. Number 2. Sponsored posts. TikTok influencers rely heavily on post sponsorship as a source of revenue. Companies sponsor the videos of TikTok users with sizable and engaged fan bases in exchange for increased exposure and credibility. Business Insider reports that the typical earnings of sponsored films are between 1 cent and 2 cents per watch. Number 3. Increase views on rival platforms. The brief length of videos on TikTok and the highly personalized and intelligent For You tab has made it a viral sensation. This implies that a well-executed video targeting a specific niche has the potential to attract far more viewers than a typical social media channel. Use its massive audience to boost views on your other platforms. Simply update your TikTok profile with connections to other online presences such as Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook, and your own website or blog. Affiliate marketing relies on your ability to bring visitors to a particular website. Wix is an excellent place to begin, or you may use Bluehost to launch a WordPress site. Your website's content should lead visitors step by step through the process of purchasing the affiliate product you're promoting. This content might be a product review or a tutorial on how to use it. Your audience is more likely to purchase after clicking on your affiliate link if you provide them with valuable material. Another way to make money from your TikTok following is to direct them to videos you've made on YouTube. This will allow you to immediately earn money from YouTube commercials and open the door to future YouTube video sponsorship opportunities. Ultimately, you'll be able to increase traffic to current monetization channels and find new avenues for revenue generation. Buffer, CoSchedule, Sprouts Asile, and Crowdfire are a few examples of social media management tools that may help you keep track of your many online personas. Number 4. Sponsored content on TikTok. Brands now have new ways to promote their goods on TikTok thanks to the introduction of sponsored commercials, such as in-feed native videos and hashtag challenges. The ads platform has the potential to be a cash cow as well. Native video feeds. In-feed native videos on TikTok may have 9 to 15-second video adverts. The native videos in the feed may be created collaboratively by TikTokers, who can act as stars, directors, producers, and promoters. Native advertisements inside feeds are another way for business owners and marketers to spread the word about their wares. This marketing is thought to be more engaging to millennials and Generation X. Possibilities arise for advertising aimed squarely at the youth demographic. Instigated by the use of hashtags, TikTok users are known for their quick reactions to difficulties. TikTok challenges are calls to action on the app that encourage users to create and share videos in a particular style. Hashtag challenges, like in feed native videos, are often more understated than traditional types of advertising. Promote your product lightheartedly by featuring it in a hashtag challenge. Number 5. Collect virtual gifts. TikTok also has an integrated monetization system that allows users to earn money via live streaming in exchange for virtual presents. Once you get 1,000 followers, you can begin live broadcasting. Coins may be purchased by your viewers for $1.29 for 100 coins, and they can then be used to purchase virtual presents that they can deliver to you while you're broadcasting. The diamonds you get from gift exchanges may be redeemed for cash via your PayPal account. Number 6. Manage influencer campaigns. When you manage influencer campaigns, you act as a go-between for influencers and companies. A broker acts as a go-between for influencers and companies, facilitating communication and negotiations between the two parties. If facilitating conversation and relationships is your primary goal, this strategy might be a good fit for you. Because it is an intelligent platform, TikTok includes tools for managing influencers and businesses right out of the box. TikTok's marketing potential is expanding rapidly, and in response, several TikTok marketing organizations have begun connecting clients with influencers in exchange for payment. Due to the platform's brief lifespan, TikTok has fewer marketing partners than rivals like YouTube and Instagram. If you find the management of influencer campaigns to be fascinating, you could like to launch your own TikTok marketing firm. Number 7. Items bearing your own name and logo. Creating branded items for your channel at any point in your TikTok marketing strategy is possible. Your exciting brand may launch with any items that are a good fit for your target market and have a high enough production value. Let's say most of your TikTok admirers are interested in you because of the jewelry you create. Then, establish a collection of branded jewelry, especially rings and necklaces. Keeping inventory levels low at first may help keep expenses down. You may launch a dropshipping business with reputable partners like Shopbase. It eliminates the need to keep track of stock and store goods. This is an excellent method to launch your business with little to no investment and enormous potential for expansion. Number 8. Events appearance. TikTok stars can earn money by making personal appearances at various events. Influencers, like famous guests, may increase an event's attendance, coverage, and ultimately the brand's awareness. A TikTok user's revenues on brand events may range from $0 to hundreds of thousands of dollars, depending on the scope of their influence, the nature of the activities, and the length of the event. Your attendance at public events for brands might be a lucrative source of money if you are a famous TikTok influencer. Don't hesitate to reach out to companies and establish a rapport with them. This was all from my side to guide you about the 8 proven methods for making money on TikTok in 2022. Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon if you're new to the channel so you don't miss any new stuff. Comment below if this video was helpful or if you have any concerns regarding how to generate money.